Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Tech Out. It's been quite a while since I've done a setup tour, and I thought I would just do one right now. It's about to be winter of 2018, so I figured why not. I've got some new stuff on my setup that I would like to show you guys that I just haven't done a dedicated video about. One of them being this Dell monitor right here. This is a Dell QHD 27-inch monitor. I forget the exact model, but it is a QHD monitor, so it's not full 4K. It's a 2K monitor. But for a 27-inch panel running Windows, it's a very, very great picture, and I really like the monitor. I'm actually thinking about picking another one up to replace the Samsung panel beside it here. They're on sale for about $150 off at Best Buy this week, so I might pick another one up. But this is my setup right now. I'm using the two same desks that you guys have seen before, the two IKEA tables with the legs on them. These are actually tables. They're not meant to be full-on like computer desk, but I have been using them as such for a while, and they've been working wonderfully. I always get the question, do they bend? And I haven't had any issues with any of them bending or bowing in the middle, and I keep my monitors on them. From time to time I'll actually put my PC on it. I always put my PC over the legs though, so I don't have like the full weight in the middle. But no, I haven't had any issues with these desks bending. I think these tables are about $40 a piece plus the cost of the legs. And my IKEA is about 2 hours away, so I did pay a flat $99 delivery fee. That was delivery for everything, for the two desks and the legs. So really it was still cheaper than buying a full L-shaped computer desk. And I really do like them because they're super lightweight, they're easy to move, and like I said, they're pretty durable. I haven't had any issues with them or anything like that. So let's get into the tour. First things first, this is the computer setup right here. I have my computer setup on one side, and then I have my workbench on the other. This is usually where I film videos right here. I also have been doing some iPhone repair and stuff like that. So right here is the soldering station, the 3-in-1 that I unboxed a couple videos back. That's where that lives. We have the hot air gun and the soldering iron right there. I actually haven't used it yet, but that is where it is. We have my MacBook Pro right here. My MacBook Pro is kind of my carry-around computer. I use it pretty much everywhere. I'll just move it from place to place. It doesn't have one specific spot. But that's pretty much it for the workbench. It's pretty simple. Under it I have some cables and stuff like that. There's a little bit of stuff on the floor, just like I said, it is workbench. But we have my capture card down there. It's plugged into my PC, so if I do any live streaming, I hook it up to this camera and I can live stream stuff from over here, hooked up to my PC. Right here we have my Asus ROG laptop. I usually use this for stream monitoring and stuff like that. I do use it for editing from time to time if I am not at my desk, because it does have an i7 in it, so it is perfectly capable of editing and stuff like that. But I usually just use it for stream monitoring and stuff like that when I'm on my main PC, just because it's annoying. Even with two monitors, it's annoying to be flipping in and out of games to go to like YouTube and stuff like that to start and stop streams and view comments and all that kind of stuff. So that is what I use that for. We have my headset right here, which is the G933, I believe it is. Let me verify that real quick. Yeah, the G933 from Logitech, the Spectrum Snow is what they're called. I picked those up at Best Buy. Been using those for a while. Great headset, love it, wireless, all that kind of stuff. We have a USB hub with my mouse and the wireless adapter for the headset plugged into it. We have my Blue Yeti microphone, which I use when I am streaming, and if I do any voiceovers, they're recorded with that. Great microphone, been using that since my Mac Pro days. Love the microphone, no issues with it, so you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. For my keyboard and mouse setup right now, I'm using the Razer Chroma, the Black Widow Chroma V2 with a Corsair, I forget which mouse this is. This is a Corsair, it doesn't say on it, but it's a Corsair RGB mouse, wired. I do have a wireless Razer mouse, but I don't like using it because I just forget to charge it, and when it's dead it's really annoying because you got to plug it in and stuff like that, so it defeats the purpose of a wireless mouse. It's not a bad mouse at all, I just can't remember to plug it in when I'm done with it, or charge it when I'm not using it and stuff like that. We have my iPhone charging right there with my USB hub. That kind of just chills wherever. My Stream Deck right here, if you guys do any kind of YouTube live streaming or live streaming at all, I definitely recommend picking up a Stream Deck. They are a lifesaver. You have all your stream presets that I have in here for OBS and stuff like that. You can switch different screens and everything while you're streaming without interrupting all your windows and open windows and stuff like that. Like I said, we have the Dell QHD monitor here, and then we just have my old Samsung panel. I have two of these. I used to use two of these and a curved one. I'm just using that in the Dell right now. I like having the second monitor to monitor the temps and everything like that of my PC while I'm gaming. Sometimes I'll have the chat window up and stuff over here if I'm not using my laptop to monitor the stream. But that's basically what that's for. This is a Corsair extra large mouse mat. It kind of extends the width of the desk. It's kind of dirty, but it protects the desk from the mouse and anything that I might spill on it. And I just need to wash it, and I think it'll be fine. But other than that, that's that. That is my current setup. That's where I do everything. This is where all the videos come from. Sorry, one of the bulbs is out in my softbox right now, so the lighting is kind of dim. I need to change that. Over in the corner here we have my two battery backups. This is kind of like a last but not least behind the scenes right here. Two battery backups. I don't need two. I just have some bigger power adapters that cover up some of the outlets on them. So it's easier to plug it into two than it is one, and I had a spare one laying around, so I figured I might as well use it. But that is my desk. That is what I'm using right now. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below, and I will respond as quickly as possible. This has been Colin with Tech Out. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.